Good day to my future employer. My name is Hazel. I'm 33 years old and I live in Ilocos Sur, Philippines. I am married and I have 3 children. They are all boys. Their ages are 12, 10, and 6 years old. I studied 2 years in Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. My hobbies are cooking, baking, and storytelling. I am also a pet lover. I have cats and birds at home. I am good in taking care of children. I work as a domestic helper to Mr. and Mrs. Khalid Al Sheikh in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia from September 2023 to November 2025. I have served a couple together with their 4 children. But my main duties as a domestic helper is to clean the whole 3-story house, including 6 bathrooms, 5 bedrooms, a living room, kitchen, and a dining room. Once a week, I vacuum the carpet and change the cover bed. Aside from cleaning, I also prepare and cook for their food. I iron the clothes and do the laundry. I am willing to take care of an elderly and a newborn baby. And I also know how to sing nursery song like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family's future. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me to be your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, and obedient. I promise to be a good housemaid and prioritize my job to finish my contract. I am looking forward to work with you and your family as soon as possible. Thank you.